In this video, we will go over features or benefits of air compressors manufactured by compressed air systems. Compressed air systems air compressor packages are manufactured for people who need to get work done. In this video, we will go over the features of our fully packaged industrial series engine-driven air compressors. These packages come standard with stainless steel air line, centrifugal unloader, easy fill oil drain. These packages also come standard with Kohler gas engines, as well as Kohler diesel engines. Easy oil drain and the controls protected by the compressor base plate. These packages also come with a battery mounted and wired and belt guard aftercooler to cool the compressed air down to within 15 to 20 degrees of ambient air temperature. Our packages also come with a two-piece tank and top plate with vibration isolators and full saddle mounting feet, as well as an auto tank drain. These packages also come standard with an easy oil drain on the engine, an easy belt tensioning system, and a tank discharge ball valve. These packages all also come standard as a low profile version.